Well, good morning. I'm at an amazing place called Inchbonnie this morning, and I've driven about an hour to get here. I've been driving all morning through this gorgeous mist, and I just had to stop and capture a few images. I'm not actually at my final destination just yet. I'm planning on going a little further up the road to Carew Falls and have a look at that, but I just had to stop here, excuse me, the midges are flying in, and capture some of the amazing mist that's on the lake with the reeds and the I think like hikatea trees in the background. I'll just spin you around. So the settings for this shot are pretty straightforward. I've got the reeds in the foreground and the hikateas and the mist in the background. So I'm on an f8 aperture to get me sort of sharpness front to back, and I'm focusing on the hikateas in the background, but I should be able to get the reeds in the foreground in the front sharp as well. Because of all the mist, it's quite bright, so I've opened up a stop. So it's +1 exposure, f8. It's giving me about a 15th or a 20th of a second, and there's no filters needed. The light's quite subdued, so it should capture all of the range in the scenes. I'll grab a couple of them from here, and then I'll continue on to Carew Falls. See you there. Well, apologies for interrupting the video when it was going so well, but unfortunately when I said at the end of that clip that I would meet you at Carew Falls, unfortunately that's not quite what happened. I was intending to go there. I started travelling towards Carew Falls, but then unfortunately this happened. The same fog that I talked about creating a beautiful landscape also meant that visibility was fairly poor, and as I was travelling to Inchbonnie, there's a corner that crept up on me quite quickly and I couldn't take it in time. The car slid, hit a bank, went through a farmer's fence and into the paddock. So that was the end of that, really. I didn't make it to Carew Falls. My entire morning photographing and vlogging was pretty much over, and the car sat there and is still there waiting to be towed back into my hometown to be fixed. Fortunately, I did get one other image that meant that the day wasn't a total failure, and I'll show that now, but unfortunately that's all I've got. Thanks for watching. Hopefully next time my vlog will be accident free, and we'll be able to go out and enjoy the landscape and not end up in a horrible mess at the end of it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.